Hey guys, this is Good Golf the Esports. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Kick, um, and Discord. But this is a Pro2 Lite race at Daytona Long. Um, I'm in the number one camo truck. Um, I had changed my team name, and I didn't realize I hadn't painted a Pro Lite truck yet. So I just picked one off Trading Paints to run for a little bit until I get me one painted up. Anyway, I only hit play, cycle some cameras, see what we see. Um, Hope you enjoy it. As you can see, there's a truck jump the lights. This truck, this number 4, he just drives across all the bumpers. I was actually afraid he was going to take me out on purpose. And there he's flashing. So I'm going to cycle through some of these trucks once I get clear of number 4. I'm pretty sure here in a second he brake checks me. Y'all can tell me what you think. Because he gets back around me because he cuts the track. So he cuts the track down the inside. Look, he hits the brakes right there. I'm pretty sure he brake checked me. But he didn't swing over into me, so I was just happy for that. And I think when I get him clear this time, I'm clear of him. So we're going to cycle back, check out some other people. Looks like he's already had a front end collision. Oh, I totally forgot to put my ticker up, so I knew who was who. Yeah, power slide it. What's he gonna do? Stop? Looks like this is the best battle. I think this guy's just goofing off and he's flashing. And I'm just out there cruising. So Yeah, let's watch these guys. My Stream Deck buttons are messed up. I apologize. Alright, guys. It's the end of the race. I did want to look at something. Let's see if I can rewind. And that truck. Check this out. So this, I'm assuming this truck intentionally wrecks himself. Pulls a wheelie. Yeah, that clip will be on my highlight reel. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go Goth Esports, YouTube, Facebook, Kick. We're getting off-road series together. The league is already up, but we need members, more members than what we have. And I apologize. It's 5:45 in the morning right now, so kind of tired. Anyway, y'all have a good day, and I'm signing off.